Hello everyone, this is the insulation copper tube threading machine we produced. The equipment was installed and commissioned in European customer factory. Next, I will introduce the main structure of our machine. This is the tube decoiler mechanism of the machine. The machine is designed with two decoiler racks. It can process both single tube threading and pair tube threading. The decoiler rack is suitable for large loads of copper tubes without wooden board package. We also have decoiler racks suitable for wooden board packing. The material discharge direction can be also selected. This is the straightening mechanism. The straightening wheels are arranged in two directions, horizontal and vertical. This ensures that the copper tube is straight during feeding process. This is our pull wheel. This is a detection point check device. This is a triplet cutting mechanism. Here you can see that there are two tubes and you can choose to produce a single tube or double tube. When producing a single tube, you only need to stop the other tube. This can be selected on the touch screen. This is our output mechanism. This is our nylon clamper. Different product specifications can be replaced by different nylon clamper. The speed and the length of the insulation pipe threading, it can be set in the machine control system. And this is the product work platform we provided to our customers. We have equipped this platform with 50 meters. It is suitable for producing 50 meters products. Next, let us take a look at machine running.50米减量，这个胖出来了有点，哦，这个胖出来了。等一下，快到了，我跟你说，你放慢点啊。还有10米，还有5米，还有3米，2米，1米。